Seventh NLP technique, the embedded commands technique. Embedded commands are another technique used by marketers and sales representatives to get the desired response from clients. This technique is like a secondary aspect of the mirroring technique. After you mirror someone and they've warmed up to you, you begin to use embedded commands to get the person to give you a favorable response. Embedded commands are commands masked into sentences to disguise them. For instance, a statement like, "You can feel good as you start this next exercise," has an embedded command in it. How to use the embedded command technique. To use embedded commands, 1. First, set up a weasel phrase. This is a type of phrasing that gives the impression of authority that something meaningful or relevant has been stated, when in fact what you're saying is highly ambiguous. Examples of weasel phrases include, "If you were to," "Some people say," "It is known that," "You really shouldn't," "How does it feel when you." 2. Insert a command verb. You have to change your tone before you say the command verb or pause a bit before you say it so that the person's unconscious mind would pick up the command. You have to do this without making it too obvious or make the person wonder what you're doing. Example of command verbs are remember, feel, experience, think about, and have. 3. Process the command. You can add phrases that complete the sentence. An example is, "You can feel good as you start this exercise." Or, "I recently read a study about people who eat sushi are healthier." Come up with your own phrase based on a recent conversation you had and write it down. Next, try using this technique in your next conversation and record the results. Was it effective in communicating authority or changing someone's mind? Embedded commands help you get a desired response through issuing command statements without making it obvious to your listener. Next, we'll talk about modeling.